Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are returning back to my channel, I thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I am showing you all how I create voluminous curls on my natural hair. And I do have 4C hair, don't get me wrong, but I have had my hair blown out a few days ago. So that's why it looks a little bit more loose textured. That's why it looks a little bit more straight. And yeah, I've been loving it so far. This is my first professional blowout since I've been natural, and it's been pretty much a year. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys how my curls are going to come out, because I did them about 2 days ago and they came out really pretty. So I really want to show you guys how I create those pretty curls, and you will be seeing how I do those. And yeah, I feel like my hair is easier to work with now that I've had my hair blown out, and it's more manageable, softer, bouncier, and I have my true length, and that's what I really wanted. I really wanted to see what my true length was, and I also want to get my hair trimmed, so that's what I did. The hairstylist was very patient. If you guys are looking to create voluminous curls on your natural hair, stay tuned and I'll be showing you guys how to create those curls. I start off by parting my hair into 4 sections, and this is just to make the process a little bit easier as I am putting in the flexi rods. So first I like to apply my Blue Magic coconut oil hair conditioner, just a little tiny bit, you don't need much. I literally take this much. This is my final flexi rod look, and I usually look like this when I'm going to bed. I'm going to tie my hair down with a silk scarf, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the result. Hey everyone, so it's the next morning and I'm so excited to take out these flexi rods. I think it's about that time to see what it looks like. I actually added about 3 flexi rods to my hair before I went to bed, because I did want to not have this area too puffy, so I did add some more there. Today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you try this at home. Maybe it comes out a little bit better. Anyway, stay tuned for more hair videos, lifestyle videos, and all that good stuff. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and thumbs up for effort maybe. I really appreciate that. Anyway, I'll speak to you guys later. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I love you so much. Bye.